The cell starts in interphase, where the public are working their jobs of growing the cell and making organelles. Then, clumps of DNA and proteins called chromatids stand up to the restrictive government by joining together as one in a process called prophase. These rebellious groups of chromatids are called chromosomes. These chromosomes are actually conjoined twins called sister chromatids, which are connected at a point called the centromere. Because of their poor conjoined state, the cellular government has trapped them in a special government hospital called the nucleus. This causes even more backlash as the government receives angry tweets, emails, and letters about the conjoined twins, but the government won't listen. In retaliation, the public starts to join the cause in helping the twins by forming the mitotic spindle, which is made of little spindly microtubules. Now, a new stage in the cellular revolution begins, called the prometaphase. Here, the walls of the controversial nucleus hospital, the nuclear envelope, is broken into, and all the conjoined sister chromatids escape. Woo! They can now prepare for a life-saving procedure that will separate all of the twins. Before the procedure begins, a protein formation called kinetochore develops around the centrosomes, which keep the sister chromatids conjoined. Around the poles of the cell, kinetochore microtubules extend out of the centrioles and attach to the kinetochores. Now, there's just a little bit of touching up to do before the procedure, in what is called metaphase, may begin. Now, the chromosomes are all pulled around by the kinetochore microtubules until they align in the middle of the cell, or the equilateral plane. The people of the cell can now only watch nervously from afar as professional doctors begin the separation operation, called Anaphase. The doctors are working away by pulling the sister chromatids until... Now, the newly separated chromatid twins are taken to separate poles of the cell by the microtubules. In the meantime, nuclear membranes form around the chromatids, which separates them from the cytoplasm. After the chromatids accept their new home, they begin to relax and become less compact. Hey, at least their new home comes with free Wi-Fi and complimentary breakfast between 8 a.m. and 12 p.m. Finally, as everyone says their goodbyes, the parent cell splits into two daughter cells. The cells are now back in interphase, but soon the public will once again rise against their government, and the cell cycle will start again.
All sound effects brought to you by Nathan. If you would like sound effects by Nathan, please call 1-800-NATHAN. Here is a test of some sound effects by Nathan. Pow! Peow! Boom! Explosion noise. Thank you for listening.